Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW iX. We'll cover the different charging methods available, from convenient home options to rapid public stations. Understanding these will help you maximize your electric driving experience. We'll look at Level 1, Level 2, and DC fast charging, detailing what each means for your daily use and longer journeys. Let's get started with the basics of powering up your vehicle. For most owners, Level 2 home charging is the primary method. Using a 240-volt outlet, you can fully charge your BMW iX overnight, typically in about 10 to 12 hours. This provides maximum convenience, ensuring your vehicle is ready each morning. While a standard outlet can work, a dedicated wall charger offers faster, more reliable power. Consider professional installation for optimal performance and safety. When you're on the road, DC fast charging is your best friend. These powerful stations can add a substantial amount of range very quickly, often taking your battery from 10% to 80% in under 40 minutes. This makes long trips much more feasible and reduces range anxiety. You'll find these chargers at many public locations, perfect for a quick top-up during a stop. To extend your battery's life, try not to always charge to 100% or let it frequently drop below 20%. The BMW Charging app is a fantastic tool for finding available stations, checking their status, and managing your charging sessions, making your experience seamless. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Optimizing your charging habits will ensure your BMW iX serves you well for many years to come, keeping you on the road with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.